Do you know the fastest way banks sabotage their profitability? Hint, it's not loan defaults or interest rate shifts. It's something far more insidious, hidden in plain sight. Weak cross sales. Now, before you tell me, Roxanne, our people are cross-selling, let's look at the reality. The industry average for cross sales is stuck at about 2.2 products per customer. Those numbers aren't moving, and every incremental sale left on the table represents thousands, even millions in lost revenue every year. Here's how this usually plays out. You've invested in sales training again, you've handed out quotas again, and you've just told your people to just ask for the sale again, yet the needle never really moves. Why? Because cross-selling isn't about asking or pushing products. It's about building relationships so meaningful that customers practically sell themselves. But let's face the brutal truth. Most banks aren't doing this. They're pushing products, not solving problems. Now, imagine this. Your cross-sales jump from a sleepy 2.2 to 6 or even 8 per customer within months. Your efficiency ratio improves dramatically, allowing you to achieve the same or more profitability with fewer people and lower expenses. And your customer loyalty skyrockets, making you virtually untouchable to competitors trying to poach off your best customers. Sounds too good to be true? It's exactly what the top performing banks, the ones recognized by the Institute for Extraordinary Banking, do consistently. They don't just have good intentions, they install a systematic, disciplined, and repeatable approach to cross-selling. Here's the secret. Shift your mindset. Move your team from being product pushers to trusted advisors who add meaningful value with every interaction. Engineer consistency. Implement daily routines and accountability measures to ensure that your team isn't leaving opportunities to chance. Track ruthlessly. Make cross-sales a core metric tracked daily, weekly, and monthly, and celebrate it openly and often. And when banks do this, cross-sales don't just inch upward, they leap forward predictably, repeatedly, profitably. Look closely at your current cross-sales numbers. Ask yourself honestly, is good enough really good enough? Decide right now to implement a proven, predictable system that moves your bank from mediocrity to mastery. Stop settling. Start performing, because the banks that get cross-sales right aren't just profitable, they're legendary. See you at the top.